Are you ready to brunch?
Oh, I was born to brunch.
Entertaining is really intimidating because it feels like you have to do all of these things, but my secret is I actually don't do that much on the day. I love overnight oats because they're really customizable. They're super easy to make. All you do is take basically a 1/4 cup of oats, you do a 1/2 cup of cashew milk, and then you can add whatever else you want. And then time does the rest. You just let it sit in your fridge and it becomes this really lovely, hearty breakfast. When my friends are coming over, the last thing I want to do is be stuck in the kitchen. So I like to pick one main course, and today I chose a frittata, which was really easy to whip up. My sort of no-brainer trick is I use really small vessels and then just put one type of flour in each one. You can keep the table settings super simple, but it's really important to put a little bit of a twist of you. So I am using vintage teacups as my vessels for jam. A fun idea is to present a juice bar and then you let your friends mix their own juices. When you're at someone's house and they're hosting you and they are a giant stress ball, it actually translates into the party. If you have a good time, your guests will have a good time. So those are my no stress brunch tips, and hopefully I've inspired you to throw your own.